Welcome to our motherboard battle. Today we are diving into a comparison between the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX and the ASUS Prime X670E-PRO. Both motherboards are designed for the latest AMD AM5 processors, but they cater to different needs and budgets. Let's explore their features and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to pricing, the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX is priced at a competitive $179, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious builders. In contrast, the ASUS Prime X670E-PRO comes in at a premium price of $479, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. Significant price difference may influence your decision based on your budget and performance needs. The GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX offers a solid feature set, including support for DDR5 memory, M.2 slots, and PCIe 5.0, making it suitable for most gaming and productivity tasks. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime X670E-PRO boasts advanced features such as enhanced power delivery, superior thermal management, and additional connectivity options, catering to high-end users and enthusiasts looking for top-tier performance. In terms of performance, the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX delivers good performance for gaming and general use, thanks to its efficient design and modern features. However, the ASUS Prime X670E-PRO is designed for exceptional performance, with advanced cooling solutions and robust power delivery, making it ideal for overclocking and demanding applications. This difference in performance can greatly impact your overall experience, especially in high-intensity scenarios. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX and ASUS Prime X670E-PRO have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for an affordable yet capable motherboard, the GIGABYTE option is a great choice. However, if you're willing to invest in premium features and performance, the ASUS Prime X670E-PRO stands out as a top contender. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.